I'm Dr. Lauren, and today we'll be talking about the difference between bird dogs and dead bugs. We will start with bird dogs. For bird dogs, you're going to be on your hands and your knees. And to start off, you'll just raise one arm so that it's parallel with your ear. When that feels good, you'll bring it down. Now the opposite leg is going to raise. When both of those movements feel good individually, we'll combine them to raise one arm and the opposite leg at the same time. We'll be really strong through the core here. For dead bugs, you're going to be on your back. Same idea, arms and legs are going to go straight up. Lower one arm until it's parallel with your ear. Bring it up. When that feels good, one leg is going to dip and straighten, not touch the floor, and come back up. When both of those movements feel good individually, we'll start to combine them. One arm and the opposite leg, and up. One arm and the opposite leg, and up. So they're activating very similar muscles. They can be interchangeable. If you have issues with your hips, the bird dogs might be a little bit more comfortable. If you have issues with your knees, dead bugs might be a little more comfortable. It's about finding what works for you. So there we go. Be sure to follow Alpine Chiropractic and get adjusted.